AE Transfer 2.0 is a set of two scripts for Autodesk 3ds Max and Adobe After Effects that allows these two apps to exchange parameters of 3D objects and 3D layers with each other. The script for 3ds Max allows you to export cameras, lights, standard planes, and path position, rotation, and scale properties of other 3D objects from 3ds Max to After Effects. The script for After Effects allows to export cameras, lights, and 3D layers parameters from After Effects to 3ds Max. Before using the tool, please check out the current list of known issues and limitations. You can find it on ae-transfer.com. AE Transfer installs using 3ds Max application. Before installation, make sure that 3ds Max is running with administrator privileges. Run the mzp file using the run script command from the scripting menu. The scripts will be installed for all versions of 3ds Max and After Effects found in your system. After the message about successful installation, restart 3ds Max. Go to the Customize menu and open Customize User Interface dialog. In the opened window, go to the Toolbars tab, find the category drop-down list, select AE Transfer, and drag the icon to a panel. If you installed AE Transfer to multiple 3ds Max versions, you need to create the button this way in every 3ds Max host. In After Effects, no actions needed. You can find the script in the File Scripts menu.